Which country is known for its high employment rates and exciting opportunities for optometrists? Today we are here to answer just that and tell you these steps to practice and settle here as an internationally qualified optometrist. Hello and welcome back to Academically. So this amazing country is none other than Australia. With an average annual salary of 60 lakhs INR, Australia is quickly becoming the dream destination to practice and settle as an optometrist. And all you have to do to achieve this is pass the OCANZ COE exam. So are you ready to take your career as an optometrist to new heights in Australia? Let us help you understand these steps to achieve this dream. Step 1 is the skill assessment with OCANZ. You'll start by having your qualifications and other documents verified by the Optometry Council of Australia and New Zealand, which is the OCANZ. Once you're considered eligible, you'll need to submit Form 2 provided by the OCANZ, and you can download it from the official OCANZ website, which is www.ocanz.org. And you'll get the result of your skill assessments in about 4 weeks. Then comes Step 2, which is the written exam. Next is Step 2. You will have to sit for the written exam, which is online, proctored, and can be given from your home country. The written exam consists of 2 papers: clinical science exam diagnosis and management exam. Then is Step 3, which is proving your English proficiency. While OCANZ doesn't demand proof of English proficiency for the competence in optometry exam, which is the COE, you will still need it as it is required by the Optometry Board of Australia, OBA. Passing tests like IELTS, PTE or OET will be the next step. Step 4, cultural safety training. Now, before proceeding to give the clinical exam, you will need to complete an online cultural safety training, which is a mandatory component after completing the written exams. And it's important to make sure that the candidates understand and respect the cultural differences in healthcare practices, especially those in Australia. So please check out the official OCANZ website to understand that better. Step 5 is the clinical exam. This is a practical test to check your abilities in real-life scenarios and will be held at the Australian College of Optometry, which is in Melbourne, Australia. It means that you will need to travel to Australia for this part. And it's got 2 components: the skills station exam and patient examination. And you know what? That's all. After you have completed all these steps and passed both the written and clinical exams, you'll be all set to start an exciting and frankly a pretty rewarding career in Australia as a registered optometrist. At Academically, we understand the hunger of taking your careers to the next level, and so we have a specialized program especially for optometrists like you who dream to work and settle in Australia. The link of the same will be given in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you need more help with any of the steps mentioned above, let us know in the comments. Goodbye and good luck.